Here's my front yard. They used to be in the backyard. They're all birds.
Super cute.
And they're still coming. Those are all birds. Every black thing you see moving is another bird. Here they go. Here they go. Here they go. There's a truck. Oh.
Holy smoke! Look at this guy in the truck. What's going on?
Look at it across the street. Now they're all in Jenny's yard. There they go. There they go. There they go. Oh, look at this. Oh, I lost them. Where'd they go? There they go. They're all in Jenny's yard now.
It's still going.
Here they come.
Oh my god! We're gonna get attacked!
This is all birds. This is all birds. I'm taping it, honey.
Oh my god!
And there's still more.
Birds! Holy crap! I don't like this. I don't
Here they come again.
Don't make this bad.
They're still coming.
Ooh, I'm so scared. Look at all the birdies. They're so pretty. I don't like this. They're coming from the back.
I noticed.
Oh my god. Now they're across the street.
They're
Oh god, they're
all in Jenny's yard.
Ooh.
Well, not all of them. They're still landing. Let me pan out if you can see the ones that are still coming in.
You'll see them in the back. Holy smoke.
Honey, I'm taping. Here they go again. Look at Jenny. She's across the street watching them.
It's like birds, Mom?
There they go again.
Bye!
Jenny's taking pictures too.